Hello everyone. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you. Let's start with this one here. This is a shopping bag. It's the Marvel Spider-Man shopping bag. Isn't this neat? Just in time for the Spider-Man movie, right? Look at this. I need to figure out how I'm going to do this because I have a project in mind. I'm going to even save the label. See? Isn't that neat? I can use that in a project. Put that aside. I also picked up a few items, and I picked up this set of mini gel pens. You get 10 pens a year, and it's by Jobs. Sorry, the glare is messing with my camera. There we go. Let me turn it over so you can see all the colors in here. See, we have black, silver, the turquoise, the lime green, yellow, purple, a violet, pink, orange, and red. I want it too because these are such short pins, but I am on the watch out for another set. That way, when I run out of this, I have a backup. So I got that one. I also managed to find these glitter highlighters. So this is the pink and the green ink. And then I also found the second one. This is the orange ink and the teal ink. So I know everyone has been hauling these back to school items, but I haven't been able to get out like I want to. So I've been having my family members shop for me. So this is all they could pick up for me. There's that. And then I also got this one. This is a makeup brush cleansing palette. And let's see, who is it by? Does it say? An American company. I got this because I want to use this in my craft room. There we go. Look. I saw another shopper mention something like this. It wasn't this product, but it was another one. But see, look, it has a nice little stand. Now, you can put like hot irons in here, I hope. If not, I picked it up because I was thinking about maybe using it for like my paint brushes, like when I'm painting. And then sometimes you just need like really quick to the brush off. I can put some water in here because see, it has the sidewall in there. I can put some water in there and I can run my brush in here and clean it off very quickly. That's what I was thinking. I don't know. If it doesn't work out, I can always use it in the bathroom. I don't know. But see, it is a makeup brush cleansing palette, so it's meant for like dry makeup brush. Let me see. Oh, here I have a makeup brush I can use. See, like this, when you put your blush or whatever on there, then you can run it on here and it'll clean it off. So it's kind of the same concept, right, with using it on a paintbrush. I'm hoping it'll work, but we'll see. Put that aside. And I believe they have this in different colors, but I picked up this teal one. I'm thinking these are probably the colors it's available in. You see all the colors? There's like 6 different colors, but I picked up this one here. Got that one. I also found these, look. This is contact cement. It says it's a super strong adhesive and it comes in 2 packs. So it says it's used for rubber, metal, plastic, leather, wood, glass, and cork. And let's see, is there a size? Oh, they are 0.95 fluid ounce. I don't know if that's the combination of the two or it's just one tube. Let's see, it is by an American company. Now, I bought two because, you know, when you find something at Dollar Tree and you decide you like the item and then you go back and you can't find it, so which is why I picked up two. Now, after I picked up two, I decided, well, I need some more. Guess what? I can't find any. I have visited like 6 stores, maybe. Nothing. All the stores in my area doesn't have it. I found this when I had to go to Augusta for my treatment. I found this at one of the stores on the way up there. So I am hopeful that it will eventually show up here in my hometown. If not, I think I can go online to the American company and find out who else carries this product. See, it's a really large tube. I mean, it's a very good buy, right? And I got two of those. The last thing I want to share with you is this. This is a 5-phase nail elixir. It's a strengthener and a hydrator. It has keratin and jojoba oil. It is by Ione, and it's a nail and cuticle serum oil. I bought another one of these because it works really well. A while back, I have bought one, and I really like it, so that's why I picked up another one. So it has the 2 oils in here, so you just gotta make sure you mix the 2 oils really good. It's fantastic. Like between nail coloring, I put it on my nail and just let it sit for a bit before putting on my base polish and then my nail color. But it works really well. So if you see one of these, pick one up. It's fantastic. My Dollar Tree haul is not that large, but I found some good stuff. I really am looking forward to using this contact cement and see how well it's going to work out. And I will keep the watch out for another set of the gel pen set. I know they have this every once in a while, so I can pick one up. And I'm looking forward to using this. I hope that it works really well on my paintbrushes because, you know, it says so right here. And then, yeah, I think it'll work really well. I mean, if you find it in these colors here, fantastic, right? So I only had the 3 colors, I think, at my store. They had the purple, they had this one, and I think they had the fuchsia color one. So I went with this teal color one. I thought it might work better with my craft room. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you next time.